Welcome to IC Markets. In this video, we will walk you through how to log into MT4 platform. To access the MT4 platform, you will need your account number, password, and server information from the email we sent you with the subject MT4 live account details. Open your MT4 platform and select File Login to Trade Account. In the login box, enter your account number. Make sure you enter your password correctly if you are copying and pasting. Make sure not to copy any extra spaces. Over from the drop-down menu, select the relevant server that was listed in the email. If you cannot see the server, type it in manually as live server number .icmarkets.com and select Login. You'll see your connection status update in the bottom right-hand corner of the platform. If the connection status shows invalid account, make sure your password was entered correctly. If it shows no connection, double-check and make sure the server address was entered correctly. For further information, please visit our website or contact our support team.